Welcome to Exam Rabbit Insights. Attention! Exam Rabbit Insights presents you the most repeated actual exam questions that every student must face in their actual exam. Exam Rabbit Insights guarantee 99% similarity of these questions appearing in actual exam. We are proud of our fantastic track record in helping students achieve top marks. Contact Exam Rabbit Help to get your exam done with guaranteed a plus score. We have a team of tutors and experts to assist you in bypassing your proctored softwares and acing your exam. In this video, we are presenting the most repeated COMPTIA A+ Core 1 certification actual exam questions with answers. Must watch all these questions to get ready to counter these questions in your exam. Question number 1. A user is unable to hear sound from a laptop. However, the user can hear sound when connected to a Bluetooth headset. Which of the following actions would most likely resolve the issue? Option A, updating the Bluetooth drivers. Option B, toggling the laptop's mute setting. Option C, updating the speaker drivers. Option D, replacing the laptop speakers. Explanation. Toggling the laptop's mute setting is the correct answer because toggling the laptop's mute setting is the most likely solution because the laptop may be muted or have the volume set to 0, preventing sound from playing through the internal speakers. Since sound is heard through a Bluetooth headset, this suggests that the audio system is working, but the internal speakers may simply be muted or set to low volume. Question number 2. Which of the following connectors should be used with a coaxial cable? 0 Option A, F-type. Option B, DB9. Option C, RJ11. Option D, USB-C. Explanation. F-type, the correct answer, because the F-type connector is used with coaxial cables, typically for cable television, satellite, and broadband internet connections. It securely attaches to the coaxial cable and is designed to maintain the signal quality needed for these applications. Other options like D, B9R, J11, and USB-C are not compatible with coaxial cables and are used for different types of connections. Question number 3. When a user powers on a computer, the fans start, but the machine does not post. Which of the following is the first step a technician should take to troubleshoot this issue? Option A, test the power supply. Option B, modify the BIOS settings. Option C, replace the motherboard. Option D, check the PCIe cards. Explanation. Test the power supply is the correct answer because when a computer fails to POST, it's often due to a power-related issue. Testing the power supply first helps to rule out power delivery as the cause, as it's a fundamental component needed for the motherboard and other hardware to function properly. Question number 4. Which of the following services is used to allocate IP addresses in an enterprise-wide environment? Option A, DNS. Option B, syslog. Option C, telnet. Option D, DHCP. Explanation. DHCP is the correct answer because it's used to automatically allocate IP addresses to devices in a network, making it ideal for enterprise-wide environments where manual IP assign is inefficient. Question number 5. While troubleshooting a user's smartphone issue, a technician notices that the display is visible but extremely hard to see. Which of the following is the most likely issue? Option A, inverter. Option B, LCD light. Option C, IPS panel. Option D, digitizer. Explanation. Inverter is the correct answer because the inverter is responsible for providing power to the backlight of the display. If the display is extremely hard to see, it's likely due to a backlight issue, which points to a problem with the inverter. Question number 6. Which of the following connection methods involves using a keycard to unlock a door? Option A, Bluetooth. Option B, wireless networking. Option C, hotspot tethering. Option D, radio frequency identification. Explanation. Radio frequency identification is the correct answer because it uses radio waves to communicate between a reader and a keycard, allowing the keycard to unlock doors. This method is commonly used for secure access systems where a keycard with an embedded RFID chip communicates with a sensor to grant entry. Question number 7. Which of the following network devices should a technician install in order to isolate voice traffic on the network? Option A, network tap. Option B, managed switch. Option C, hub. Option D, DSL filter. Explanation: managed switch is the correct answer because it enables the creation of virtual local area networks, allowing a technician to isolate specific types of traffic, like voice, from the rest of the network. This segmentation improves network performance and security for voice traffic. Question number 8. Which of the following is a valid use for PaaS? Option A web application for asset management. Option B, an application development environment. Option C, offsite backups. Option D, a virtual server installation and configuration model. Explanation: an application development environment is the correct answer because Platform as a Service provides the tools and resources needed for developers to create, test, and deploy applications. It offers a managed environment that supports application development without requiring direct management of the underlying hardware or operating systems, making it ideal for this purpose. Question number 9. Which of the following is a common feature of managed switches? Option A, load balancing. Option B, content filtering. Option C, port VLA and assignment. Option D, remote device power delivery. Explanation: port VL and assignment is the correct answer because managed switches allow assigning VLA and S to ports, enabling network segmentation and control. Other options are not core features of managed switches. Question number 10. A user reports that all print jobs sent to a laser printer have random and incorrect characters throughout the pages. Which of the following actions should the technician do to resolve this issue? Option A, replace the fuser. Option B, adjust the rollers. Pause X week. Option C, update the driver. Option D, shake the toner. Explanation: update the driver is the correct answer because incorrect characters in print jobs often result from driver issues. Updating the driver ensures the printer and computer communicate correctly. Resolving the problem: